So, children, as we know, so far we studied about states like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Bardham. Now, coming to the southern part, South India, it's also provide the same information as like other states. But here, the Neolithic settlements are located at the Deccan Plateau, and the places are Sangankallu, Maski, Brahmagiri, Nagarjuna Konda, Tekkala Kota, Pickley Hall and Hollow. These are the places which you are going to get information about the Neolithic period. In the southern India or the southern Plateau, Deccan Plateau region, in the Deccan Plateau region, there are certain places like Sangankallu, Maski, Brahmagiri, Nagarjunakonda, Tekkalakota, Pickley Hall, and Halor. These are the places which tells about the Neolithic period. So, children, what were there? Which was the crop grown during the Deccan Plateau? Ragi was one of the first crop they grown along with the wheat, which they were cultivated. So, in the previous states which we came to know was that wheat, barley were the main crops, but in southern part in the Deccan Plateau, ragi was the first crops which they were grown. And in the remaining state, as we got the remains and the bone tools, in the same way, here also the historians got animal remains and the bones will tell us about the domestication of animals. And what was the period? The play it was placed between the 2600 and 1000 BC. This is the time period where the Neolithic people was lived in the southern India or the Deccan Plateau region of the Neolithic people. So, children, in today's class, so far we studied different case studies which tells about the Neolithic period, isn't it? So, now coming to the last one is Dojali Heading and the Gawaki Apri. This is the last case study which we will be studying in today's class. And where it is located? It is located in the northeast part of India. Children, this Darjeeling Heading and the Gawa Kabri is located in the northeast part of India, and you can find the Neolithic sites where in the hills of the Assam, which includes North Kachar, Garo Hills, and Naga Hills. These are the hills regions of the Assam. Tells us about the Neolithic period people's life, and the important sites among these were Dojali heading and the Gawaki Abari are the important sites which we are going to find in the Assam, hills of the Assam. At Donjali heading, we will get the polished one, refined one, or modification of the stone tools and ceramics and mortars and pestles and pots. Whatever the art and craft work which was done by the people, you will be getting these places, that is Darjeeling Heading and the Gawaki Abri. If you go to visit these places, we'll get an information about the people who lived around 2700 and 2300 years old. And whatever the peoples have invented through excavation, the historians have found like polished stone tools, ceramics, mortars, and pestles. And along with this, they have also found the wooden tools, tools which are made out of wood. And we also know that pots were used for the storage of grains and the water and the liquid items, isn't it? So, children, Neolithic people were practicing agriculture. The land was cleared for the cultivation by burning the forest areas, and they started even the agricultural activities. So, all this tells about nothing but the earlier people used to settle at certain places. This leads to agriculture, domestication, pottery, art and craft, and invention of certain new things which was helpful for them to lead the life happily. So, by this, we conclude the chapter, that is first farmers and the herders. In this chapter, students, children, we learned how the farming communities came to existence, what were their activities, how they domesticated the animals, which are the animals they domesticated, what are the Neolithic tools, and how did the invention of wheel came into force, and what are the revolution that made people to convert from nomads to civilized people, then to complex society. and what was tells about the Chalcolithic period, and different case studies also we studies which tells about the Neolithic period. So by this children we ended up the chapter, that is third chapter, the first farmers and the others. So children, please complete the worksheet and keep be safe and be healthy, and wishing a happy Varalakshmi festival in advance. Thank you and